Howdy, guys. Oh joy. So I just did a quick switcheroo for the OBS version, and as you can see, it's still doing the weirdness along the top. And I don't know why. Jesus Christ on a bike. What is it? What's causing it? Right. I switched versions of OBS. So I've just got to load in one more thing and I'll be done. Oh no, I switched versions of OBS. That's the thing. And the default encoder. The only encoder it'll show is the X264. It won't even see my graphics card. This is the version of OBS that I'm running. Come on, I need this thing to catch up. Oh, computer, why are you being... Oh my god, okay. Why is everything that I want to use dying? Okay, anyway. Shall we begin? Minimize you. Off you fuck. Off you. Ah, my eyes. Off you. Yep. That's the version I'm using compared to that one. And... Hello, Vaughn. Hello, my friend. Right. Let us begin. Where was I? The manager. And then bada bing, bada boom, escape 1E. Thank you very much, my friend, for gifting out 3060 12 gig. Hey! Pancake Sparkle, very nice, very nice. I need to add that in. Okay, I think I know what might be causing it, and I hate it. I think I know what's causing it. I think I know what's causing all of my issues, actually. I think it's actually OBS causing my issues. So, bear with me. No, it wasn't that. I don't know what's causing it. Yeah, I don't know what's causing it. What the fuck? Lock. Got no idea. Oh, no, that's the thing. I have literally just tried to use... I did actually just try to use the FFmpeg EVVI thing, and it just no work. Right. Where are we? We are here. So CD LFS sources. Right. I remember last time round, Mesa... I remember last time round because Pancake Sparkle will remember this one. For some reason, Mesa runs out of RAM. Mesa runs out of RAM. And I don't know why. It appears to run out of RAM every single time. I need to try and figure out why Mesa runs out of RAM every single time. Because it's the only thing that I can catch. It's the only error that I'm able to catch from it, actually, I'll be perfectly honest. Now, why did you go there? Also, why are you being temperamental with me today? What's wrong? Ah. Oh, Pancake Sparkle. Sorry, I just sat and just rubbed my computer for a second. He's like, oh. Right. Thing I remember from last time is Mesa ran out of RAM. Oh, yeah, that's right. Needs... Oh, Mason prefix. I keep fucking forgetting to set that. I keep forgetting to set that. Where is it? I can't. Ooh, I can't remember now. Mason prefix. Oh god, how do I set Mason prefix? Yeah, well I can't. Ooh, mate. Oh my god, right, go back. No, if I go that far back, I'm not actually going to get anywhere, am I? I can't remember the prefix for that. Pancake Sparkle, my friend. This prefix, I can't remember. Oh, Xorg prefix, never mind, ignore me. Ow. Alright, I remember it now. There we go. So, export xorg prefix equals /user. Yeah, it is. I'm just being dumb and forgot what it was actually called. The xorg prefix. Yeah, I was having a dumb. Don't worry about it. Peter is 1 hour ahead of me at the minute. Xorg prefix. Yep, and I'm going to do export xorg config equals that dash prefix equals $sign xorg prefix dash sysconf dir equals /etc / local stated dir stated ir equals / I should know this one off by heart by now. So disable static. Now I'd like to source my thing. I'd like to source my bash config. Thank you all very much for the hearts. Having a dump, I can't remember where my bash config would be. Where is my bash config? I also need to quickly just get OBS back. Ignore this. Please ignore this for a second. Bada bing. Bada boo. Ah. Where is... Oh, because it's such an old version of OBS, I can't add in the browser sources. That's lovely. Also, I need to turn this filter, the compressor to none, so it doesn't actually absolutely deafen you. Because I just shouted and stuff, and you didn't get deafened, which is nice. Right, so ignore every... my eyes. Right. Oh, it didn't close it. Thank God. Right, I need to find my bash config so I don't have to keep bloody exporting it every bloody time. So cd etc. Yeah. Using one of these. This is login show. You might want to try etc profile. Okay, so screw it. I'll just do it every time. Right, cd LFS sources, cd Mesa / build. Right. So if we do /Mesa again. Okay. Oh, I was having LLVM issues, wasn't I? Yep. That's what I was having. Right. Sublime text. Wrong one. LLVM. So I now need to go to LLVM.html. Okay. You're gonna have to remind me what OOM means, because I'm having a bit of a dumb right now. Alright, LLVM. Where was I with LLVM? Ah, yes, probably. That's LLVM. VMI. Is this the correct one? No, it's not. However, RM build. We are going to remove that. So, cat LLVMP. Nope. Cat LLVMI. Nope. RM-R LLVMI. At LLVMII. Okay, that's what I want to do. So /LLVMVMII. Right. /. Oh my god, I'm having... Hello, Ms. Lab. Dying inside. /LLVMVMII. Stop flashing at the keyboard. Right, now that we've done that. So it should now be LVMC cat LLVMII. XVMP? No, it's not. -xvf /clang .src.tar.xz -c tools and mv tool mv tools /clang equals 16.0.0.5.src to tools /clang. Right. Hope you're doing well, Ms. Love. Okay, we didn't touch the compiler RT the last time round. We now need to do /LLVM BMP, which is grep Python for the Python. If you downloaded Clang, apply the following patch to enable SSP by default in compiled programs, which we have done, which we will do. So, patch. Yeah, I can see how that might be annoying. Patch -np2 -d tools Clang. That one /clang 1605 dot or -enable patch. Enter 1 out of 1 hunk, save, rejected, skipping patch is already applied. Good. If you download, we are not touching the compiler RT. So we want to just now do make directory build cd build. Okay, so now, oh, not again. It's just you. It's just you. It's just you, I hope, mate. Oh. Fuck's sake. No. Okay, yeah, that's... Yeah, you can see our OBS is having a fucking field day with me. And I don't know why, because this is an older version of OBS. Okay, Peter, can you send me that version of OBS that you have that is working? Okay, that sounds correct. Okay. Oh, my eyes. Right, that one, bring that back. I don't know what's going on, mate. So, no. So, how I remember this, it is wget https://github raw.github user contents.com/nick Matthews 1-1/test/main/ LLVMI. Haha! chmod +x LLVMI. Right, watch it out of memory. I don't know what that was, but it didn't look good. Because I remember it saying last time around it ran out of it. I remember it saying it ran out of RAM at 1.5 gigabytes worth of RAM instead of the 15 gigabyte or 16 gigabytes of RAM this virtual machine has. So I wonder if that might have had something to do with it. The only thing I can think of is to up it to 24 gigs of RAM. There is an error there that I can't see. ISO C++ prohibits anonymous structures. W pedantic, W address. One function L sun disable will never be null. W address. Oh, hold up. OM killer killed it, probably. Because here's the annoying thing. Well, I don't know why it does that, and also, I'm sorry for the top of your screen being absolute just AIDS. I don't know why it's doing that. I really don't. If I knew, I'd be able to fix it for you, but I don't. I really don't. Yeah, but why does it kill it if it uses 1.5 gigs of RAM? That's the thing. It was only using 1.5. It only used 1.5 gigs of RAM. So I don't know why it's killing it. Does that make more sense now, or am I just being a little bit dumb? Because I don't know. I don't know what could be causing it, because I'm having a look at the thing here. The Clang default Pi on Linux on LLVM include benchmarks off. Bin utils include directory user include targets to build host AMD GPU BPF RTTI link LLVM to dylib dynamic libs build dynamic libs release type FFI improve. So why? The only thing I can think to do is assign more RAM to the virtual machine and say do it again. Oh, Pancake Sparkle, if you watch today's video, you will also know that I actually managed to get H-top. Sorry, I just heard my dad's radio in my earphones. I just heard my dad radio in these. I think I just heard him actually in the in these because I'm getting feedback. That was his call sign. He's a amateur radio operator, and I heard his call. I'm pretty damn sure that was his call sign I just heard, which I find hilarious. That's what that face was about. It's like, well, the only thing I can think of to do is assign the virtual machine more RAM, maybe, or try and fix OOM killer. Also, at some point in time, if the microphone dies, you're gonna have to let me know because I've got no way of knowing if it dies. Because this is on its way out. And it's annoying because I can't replace it at the minute. I can't replace it until at least the end of the month. Minimum. Okay. How would one go about calling it manually? Manually. I don't know. As far as I'm aware, I haven't. Although I believe this is the furthest we've got. LLVO table gen use the great stack depth. That might be about to run out then. Although that sometimes just does throw a stack depth issue. Because it does that upon login for the first time. It will just throw that. Okay. 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 See how far we can get. Please don't be dumb. I also still need to fix the boot boot thing because it still boots to the wrong bloody disk. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, what I was saying is I actually managed to get, if you watched today's video, you will see that I was able to get HTOP installed and running. I did not know that. I think this is the furthest I've got. Holy hell. But no, I installed HTOP on this, like on my Linux from scratch system, and got it running, and got it displaying. And the thing that was taking up the most RAM out of the entire system was HTOP. HTOP was using the most RAM, was using the most system resources. I love that. This is an operating system where the system resource monitor is using the most resources. It's doing a Windows. That was funny. I'll have to show you it. If I can remember how to get to it, which I can't. But still, that was funny as all hell. He's like, oh, by the way, HTOP's using the most RAM. It's also using the most CPU. Like, how? I also need to source that in. I also need to alias it in, which means I need to make an alias for it because it installs, it runs, it just, when you type HTOP, it does not deliver HTOP. It just goes, system goes, So that means I need to alias it in to fix it. Which again, no bother. This has me worried. I think this is where it died last time. Yeah. What do I need to type? Have I fed it the correct password? I had fed it the password correctly. One failure since last. Yeah, it's because I screwed it up. Right. What do I need to? What command is it that I need to run? Okay, so that's there. Right. Why does it remember so far back? We're in October now. Jesus Christ. Right, okay. So out of memory, killed process. Out of memory score objective, what, 0? Non-CPU mems allowed 0. Like, it doesn't actually give an answer this time round. A process on this unit is being killed by the OOM killer. Consumed 3 hours, 52 minutes of CPU time. How? Schedule restart job at restart. So it was the same process again. Right, how do I stop the OOM killer specifically for this? Because right now this is stopping me from compiling. Okay, how do I go about doing that? Wait, what? Right. How to kill? I just want to stop it. So cd/etc. Search the main systctl.conf. Okay, so vim sysctl.conf. There is no .conf, so it's .d. Should I do that in the .d file or go back up one? Because as far as I can tell, I want to make sure I'm getting this correct. Okay, so vim 99 sysctl.conf. There we go. Done. VM. VM.om hyphen kill equals 0. So cat that. So hopefully still gotta fix this. I probably will never fix this. Oh, that's right. I've got to go all the way back here. Hopefully, we'll find out. I need to source that, and I don't know where. Don't know where that should be. Potentially, knowing my luck, yeah, more than likely. etc/local stated ir equals /var disable static. Right. LFS/sources/LLVMR LLVM 16. That's source/build. Right. /LLVMI. Hopefully, this just goes straight through. I hope it does, because I'm starting to get annoyed with this. Only got 1,150 items left to do, instead of the 4,000. Oh, and for some reason it still shows up as a NVIDIA Corporation Device 2487. No idea why it does, I just know it does. Thanks, NVIDIA, your software shit. Come on. Don't do me the dirty. Don't do me the dirty. And it's done it again. Excuse me whilst I spend the night scrolling through this. Do I have to keep doing this every single... Do I just have to keep going back to the process every single time to force it to do it? Under memory what? Out of memory killed process. Why? Yeah, somehow it used 13 minutes of CPU time. And not even... Ay, ay, ay. Right. Fuck it. CD... Rock... Sys... VM... Cat... And I'm gonna 0. Okay. Well, so it shouldn't be panicking then. That's set to 0. It shouldn't be panicking. Right. That'd look it up correctly, wouldn't it? So it's running. What do you mean an hour? What do you mean an hour and 5 minutes ago? You haven't been running for an hour and 5... You weren't even turned on then. What the fuck? Should I just stop this? Should I just stop this service? Fuck it. I don't need a sudo because I've already got it. Yeah, because it's already root as is. Right, disabled. Shutting down. Stopped. It has officially been stopped. If I knew what... L minus 9. 422. Which means it's successfully dead. Yeah, because if it can't find the process, I tell you what we'll do. Right. Where the fuck's H-top? It's ETC. Good. Oh, yeah, it's a user. And should be here anyway, because I'm trying. Where is it? Where is H-top? This is black. Oh, you mean the mains? Right, okay. We'll find out if this works or not. Well, I've changed it to as close to black as I can get it, so we'll find out. Anyway, where is my H-top? Where is H-top? It's in user bin. Screw it. Huh. That's weird. Just the screen. Oh, are you telling me that's what that's been this entire time? Oh, don't tell me this was being stupid. Are you telling me that's what this was? I fucking hate computers sometimes. I hate computers sometimes. I really do. What the hell? Right. CD LFS/sources/LLVMI 1 build. It shouldn't do it. It shouldn't be trying to pass the desktop through because it was told to capture the screen, nothing else. So the fact that it was trying to pass the desktop through, I don't know why it was trying to pass the desktop through. I'm going to start crying. It's alright, don't worry about it. And it's done it again. I'm going to start crying in a second. I will start crying in a second. I will. I'm gonna start crying in a second. This is getting ridiculous. This remembers back to last month when it first came into existence. And soon it's going to be out of existence. Out of memory. Kill the process. You are dead. What do you mean, kill the process? Screw it. If I can remember where I put H-top, yes, I will absolutely show you. I will show you what it looks like after the fact. Don't you dare. I will throw you out that fucking window. Right. Export xorg prefix equals /user. Let's do export xorg config equals quotation hyphen prefix equals $, xorg prefix /sys conf directory equals /etc backspace enter local stated ir equals /var disable static. Right. Hopefully, we should be fine. Because he's dead. There's no more. So, cd lfs sources LLVMI 1./build. Now, ./LLVMI. Hopefully, and I mean hopefully, no more crashing. What? No. 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 No, no, no. No. No, 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 no. You're dead. What the fuck are you doing? If I can remember where I put, I can't. I'm gonna have to check my own video to see where I put H-top. Why are you still running? You shouldn't exist. You've been killed. Ooh, indeed. Right. Fuck it. Where is it? cd slash etc sys ctl dot d cat right vim minus right. Where did I put my htop? Your videos. Yes, I would like to know where I put my htop. I'm getting an advert. I'm getting a YouTube advert on my own video. I am getting adverts on my own videos as I'm trying to watch them. YouTube, I hear you sometimes. Going to have a mental breakdown. Going to have a mental breakdown. So cd slash users user slash local cd bin there it is. Right. I'm annoyed that I'm getting adverts for my own videos on the account. Spotify's my main source. Right. Okay. Cat slash proc slash where was it? Sys VM overcommit memory 0. Right. So what's funny is htop is using the most system resources. Also, 94 megabytes of RAM. That's the lowest I've ever seen. That's the lowest amount of RAM I've seen this operating system use. God damn. That's tasty. Right. Okay. Where is it? You know what I need to do? Okay, so vim slash proc slash sys slash bm slash overcommit memory. File has been changed since reading it. Yes. Enter. Okay. Cat. Syscons file. Okay, let me just find that because I can't remember where it is. So, cd/etc/sysctl.conf.d. So the 99sysctl.conf. Okay. So vim set that back to 1, 0 even, and then we'll do vm dot overcommit memory equals 1. So that should be correct, yes? Because it's doing something funky that I don't like. It's doing something that shouldn't be happening. Okay. Right. Okay, that's fine. I can ignore them. Right, so seed. Export xorg prefix equals apostrophe slash user apostrophe code quote export xorg config equals no, I've got to reboot anyway. Right. I'm going to do now. Where the hell did I put it? So it's going to be cd/user/local cd bin ./htop. Once again, start crying. Export xorg config equals. If this doesn't deserve a subscribe, I don't know what does. Constant torture. Prefix equals xorg prefix sysconf dir equals /etc /enter local stated ir equals /var -- disable static. Right. td lfs sources LLVMI build ./LLVMI. Right. Providing nothing goes wrong. Why is it spiking? Oh. Huh. It actually runs out of RAM. Why do you run out of RAM? Ha! Why do you run out of RAM? Because there it is. Global OOM. Hello, Rond. I know exactly. What? Calm. Before I blow a vein. For fuck's sake. Why does Why do you do this? Ow. My head. You know, I might have to. Considering that considering that the out of memory killer is disabled, why does it keep triggering? Why? But it's disabled. The whole point of Linux is you say something, it's supposed to do it. Not go give a... And somehow it managed to use 6 minutes of CPU time in 4 minutes of uptime. Overcommit is basically allow it to use more than it's supposed to have, which is why it went and just filled. Yeah. That's why it instantly just filled the swap. Which means my swap space is working. Screw it. Ow, my eyes. Add hardware. Storage. That will exist solely... I am going to do what Peter said and just mount that solely for the swap. This is getting frustrating. Oh, this has 16. And 30 cores, because, yes, I went through so many issues trying to get this operating system into life, let alone anything else. 1 terabyte of swap win. Well, you see, the funny thing, there is a terabyte, there is an 8 terabyte disk in there with more than enough space. I could do that. I read about this one. I could. You underestimate my you underestimate my willingness to do it. Don't tempt me. I will actually find a way of doing it. You underestimate my ability to do so. Yeah. Swap isn't RAM. I know swap isn't RAM. Anyway, root. Right. LSB, okay. Okay, 100 gig. So if I remember correctly, it's going to be /sbin /swap-on /dev/vdb. Thank you very much for the subscribing, Lifetime Adventure. Make swap /dev/vdb. I'm going off setting up swap space version, so and then again. Okay. Providing. Yeah, I remember the sbin swap on from the amount of times that I have made a Linux operating system. From the amount of times I've done it with this. It's stuck in my head. Okay, calm yourself, Nick. You're getting worked. Okay, I have 104 gigabytes of swap space. Bearing in mind, it is NVMe swap space. It is NVMe straight into the CPU. Not through a PCIe riser card. It is straight into the CPU. It is SLC cache. It is SLC cache NVMe, the fastest I could get. That is supported by that motherboard. Right. First things first. This drive. So cd/user bin. Nope, that ain't it. User local. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I know for a fact that it's a SLC cache drive. I specifically got it for that fact. It is a SLC cache drive, meaning it is going to be better than your Samsung 970 Evo Plus, because it is one layer cache, meaning it's got access to it instead of the more filled up it gets, the slower it gets. This is as fast as I can physically get it without licking the CPU and going, here's your data. God, why did I say licking the CPU and here's your data? What the fuck? I'm not okay at the minute. I am having a mental breakdown. Why did I say licking the CPU and going, here's your data? What the fuck? The mad ramblings of me, welcome to it. Licking the CPU and here's your data. What the hell? Okay. 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 1 point. 2 point. 3.6. 9. Nice. 4.3. That's... Okay. Why is it using... Okay. Why is this working? Why is it also using 7 gigs of swap? Why is it working? Also 6.6 looks nice. Why? Eight? Why is that 9? Oh god. I swear, if I run out of swap now, that keeps stack depth. Okay, I'm gonna have to keep doing that. Why is it? Are you sure? Are you sure, Peter? Because it still has just under 1,000 to go. Peter, my system has 32 gigs of RAM in it. I can't give the virtual machine 32 gigs of RAM. I have never... Oh my god. Why is it... Okay, we're using nearly 10% of the swap space now. I have never done anything like this, Mislav. I've never seen anything like this, Mislav. I would not be able to stream it. Hang on. F4 filter. Okay. Okay. What is it? Okay, so it's G++. Oof. Oh, that's not having a good time with me. Okay, so filter CC1 plus. Okay. And then sort by... No. I would like to have it so top to bottom. Why is that one process using... Okay. 204. Okay, we're getting through it. We're getting... Was it just that one? Oh my lord. I swear, if this works fine now, I'm going to be annoyed. Did I really just need 100 gigs of swap space this entire time? Okay, something hit the buffer because it then had an issue. CC1 plus again. I didn't want to take the risk. It hit 10 gigs. Like, no. I'm glad I went with 100. Bloody hell, imagine that. 100 gigs of bloody swap space. 104 gigs, no less. It is only using 1% of its power. My coffee's empty. Yes, we do. I have been stuck at LLVM for the past nearly 2.5 hours, or nearly hour and a half now. Hour and a quarter I've been stuck at this. Yeah, what is the clean fix then? Just download more RAM. Hi, I'd like to download... How much dedicated RAM would I need for my Minecraft server? Just download more RAM. Have you tried getting good? King hell. Ay, ay, ay. No. No. I will not use less RAM. I will not use less cores. Just rent a 1 terabyte network shit. You see, that is called a waste of money and also time and also resources. Because why the hell would I rent a network share? Because it's going to take longer for the... No. I might have 940 megabytes down and 100 megabytes up. But no. No, it would kill the fucking stream. Also, is this done yet? Okay, over halfway. Let's find out. That's how it shows up on NeoFetch. I also haven't changed my NeoFetch config yet. Because well, that's the thing. I haven't once. If I change my NeoFetch config, I might actually show some stuff up. Oh Lord. Right. Okay. Please explain to me how the hell you're using 100.6% of the CPU. It is impossible to use more than 100% of the CPU. How the fuck are you using 100.7%? Unless this is overcommitting so hard, it is pulling into the ether and going, hi, by the way, more CPU than you actually have, thank you. What the fuck? What? This is the entire CPU hit, by the way. And it's still pulling more. 100 point. There's multiple processes hitting 100 point. Okay, how do I get this to show? Actually, sort by F6. I said F6. Sort by percent CPU. Yes, it's done. Finally! I can be at peace! I can be at peace! Oh god. Finally. Only took an hour and 15 minutes to fix it. No, I don't doubt that. I really don't doubt that. I don't doubt that at all, Pancake. I really don't. I have not installed Recon Mark. That can get fucked. Finishing off LLVMI. LLVMI is the install script I made. Ninja docs lang HTML docs lang man. Oh, doesn't bother me anymore. The LLVM test suite can produce many core dump files like a large amount of disk space. We are not running those bloody tests. So, Ninja install and copy bin slash file check to slash user bin. Okay. We have not built any documentation. We're going to leave that alone. Right, now that we have done LLVM, we go back to Mesa, because that's as far as we got. Because it is recommended that you have LLVM for Mesa. Even though it's not recommended, it is mandatory. Right. Let's go check. Let's go do Mesa. Okay, so cd build / Mesa. Okay. Oh. What do you mean, Wayland scanner? That's not here. I'm looking at the Mesa dependencies. There is no Mesa scanner at all.
Unless it's under the Wayland protocols, which I don't know. It might be. Probably is, isn't it? Right. I am going to go to the bathroom, I'm going to come back, I'm going to open up my can of Dr. Pepper. We are then going to tackle the fuck out of this. It's probably in the Wayland protocols document, isn't it? I don't know. I don't know. Pancake, if you can have a quick look whilst I go to the bathroom right quick, because I'm going to start crying. This is why you should support me with all the Linux ventures I do. I torture myself so you don't have to. If I'm ever asked anything about this in the future, I'm going to say you need more RAM, or you need a large swap space. I need to go to the bathroom. Bear with me, please. This is getting... Hello, Brian Madonna. You've just missed it. Go run to the bathroom. Right, hello. Howdy. I've just seen that myself. This is my Temple OS-esque OS. Yeah, I see that, Pancake. Yay. Wayland. Okay, what do I need for Wayland? I only need to do libxml. And bearing in mind, I've already done libxml. Yes! Thank God. Right. Here is my can of Dr. Pepper Zero. I only need to do libxml2, which I have already done. I've already done libxml2. I'm gonna do it for something else, remember? Can you... Okay, good, this is still working. Right. So, where are we? We are there. Okay, so I want to do... wget https //get/lab.free-desktop.org/wayland/way or releases /1.22.0 dot /wayland-1.22.0.tar.xz tar-xvf Wayland cd Wayland. Right. Where are we? What to do? Make directory build cd build. And what to do? Meson setup /enter prefix /user /enter. I can't because this is a virtual machine and it won't let me copy paste from here to here, so I've got to type everything out manually or stick it into a GitHub file and download it. Which I resorted to doing for the longer stuff because there's a repository for that that I made. It's that one. I specifically made it for that reason. Build type equals release /. Also, is that a full call sign you've got there, my friend? Because I've noticed that you've got a call sign. Virginia, West Virginia call sign. I know because my dad's an operator, and I've spent most of my life here. Well, spent a good chunk of time around it. The documentation equals false and ninja. That was quick. Okay. Now we need to go back to Mesa. No, Wayland protocols. Okay, so PWD, right, so wget https:// gitlab.freedesktop.org/wayland protocols // I'll tell you in a second. Releases /1.32 /download /Wayland. We'll try. Thank you very much for coming along, Ms. Love. You have a good sign. Have a good rest of your night. Your call sign, because I notice you're in the Discord server unless I'm thinking of someone else. Am I thinking of someone else in the Discord server that has a name similar to you? No, that is you. Victor Whiskey 8 Bravo November Mexico. That's a call sign. Which, if I look that up, that is a... Well, I can't check, but it's an American call sign. I know that for a fact. I can't because I'm not logged... Well, it's this... I'm not logged in. If it's a West Virginia call sign, W Victor 8 Bravo November Mexico. Anyway, I'm distracting myself. I need to get back to this. What was I doing? Ah, West Virginia. I couldn't remember which Virginia it was. Anyway, Wayland protocol -1.32.tar.xz. It's in your Discord name. I just put 2 and 2 together. Well, I kind of guessed and put the 2 together. Because I saw that and went, I recognise that. I recognised it as a call sign. Because of my dad. No, I did check against my dad's logbook. No, you've never had a contact with him. Although that would have been hilarious. That would have been hilarious. He's a big gun in the digital mode contests. He often scores in the top 3 for the UK, which is nice. Anyway, r-xvf Wayland protocols. CD Wayland protocols. Make directory build CD build. Mason setup / prefix / user. Build type equals release and ninja. That takes barely any time. It doesn't even register. It doesn't even register. I love that. Okay. Hold on. What the hell is -1? Oh, it's htop, that's why. And then just ninja install. Okay, now we go back to Mesa.
try this again. cd.out/. cd Mesa. cd build. Right. Okay, that's fine. Although it's absolutely hitting the CPU, that's fine. Is this actually going to work this time round? Okay, there is no excuse for that, because it's hitting the entire CPU, so there should be nothing that has more than 100 points. Stop it. Also, Brian, there's something funny. Inside the Linux kernel, there is actually native radio support. Come on, don't. Okay. Okay. Please, for the love of fuck, work. Finally! I forgot what I need to do next. It has been weeks since I've actually looked at what I needed to do next. Because I've been. This is the second week I've been stuck on Mesa. I've actually. Ow, my eyes. I've actually. I like how you can just see, like, whoop, whoop. That little graph there is hilarious. Oh, you can't see that, that's right. Anyway, where did I get to? Do Mesa here. I've done LLVM. I've done Mesa. libxface 4 UI, okay. Actually, go up again. Go up again. Right. Is this required for GTK Plus? Lib epoxy? Right, I now need to do lib epoxy. So, wget https:// download.gnome.org/sources/lib epoxy/1.5/lib epoxy-1.5.10.tar.xz tar-xpf lib epoxy cd lib epoxy. Sounds like a disease. Mech directory build cd build meson setup hyphen prefix equals /user hyphen build type equals release dot and I'm ja. What's going on? Okay, that's done. So, Ninja install. Okay. Now I just need to do Pango. For Pango, I need font config, free type, FreeBIDI, and glib2. For free type, it's using half buzz. Half buzz, what do you need? I hate this. I hate this because for half buzz,
it says recommended. And it has graphite as recommended. I'm not sure if it means recommended or mandatory. We will find out when I begin to cry aggressively in a moment. Oh my god. Leave the directory. hyphen no. wget
https://half-buzz/download/8.11/half-buzz. I'm getting dizzy from the amount of breathing that I'm doing. Thank you, lungs, for not working. 8.11.tar.xz. 8.1.1. tar-xvf half-buzz. CD half-buzz. Right, for half-buzz, I need to do make directory build, CD build, Mason setup, prefix equals /user, /enter, build type equals release, /enter, -d graphite 2 equals enabled, and that's what it says. -d graphite 2 equals enabled. Why do you say it is recommended if it is not, if it is indeed mandatory? I'm going to cause a vein to pop if I'm not careful. Angry internet man gets angry. You could probably make a montage of the amount of times I've got angry at this. You really could. Oh lord. wget https://github.com/silnrsi/graphite. I hate that. Releases download /1.3.14 dash graphite 2 graphite 2 wouldn't recommendant. Yes, recommendant. Graphite 2 -1.3.14 dot TGs. Oh my god. I have found an error. No, I haven't. I've typed that in wrong then. wget/github.com/silnrsi/graphite /releases download /1.3.14 graphite 2 -1.3.14
3.14.tgz. What? Ignore me, I'm a dumbass. I'm a dumbass, please ignore me. Actually, please don't ignore me. I need your attention to continue to grow my YouTube and all my content. Please don't ignore me. I'll have a breakdown. Okay. My point taken, goodbye. Right, I'm not running these fucking tests. They can get fucked. Right. What we are going to do is make directory build, cd build, c make -d c make install prefix equals /user ... and time make -j30. That took barely any time at all. Nice. Okay. We'll do documentation. Time make docs. Done. Time install -v -d -m 755 /user, because more than likely might need them at some point. User share doc graphite 2-1.3.14. Why did I do that? And copy -v -f doc /brace. Okay, brace GTF comma man UAL, because I can't fucking spell. Curly brace dot HTML /enter /user /share /doc /graphite 2-1.3.14. And I really hate myself for doing this. GTF, yes. And copy -v -f doc /curly brace GTF manual brace .pdf /enter /user /share /doc /graphite 2-1.3.14. Enter. Why do I do this? Anyway, I can now go back to half buzz. Oh, thank God. Right. How is it doing 107% when literally all of the cores were hit? That's not how that works. It did find graphite. And now it's stuck. Thank God. Okay. Which now means I've got to go to I've now got to do fry biddy And it has an optional, not a recommended, just an optional. The optionals are fine, they're recommended. Not mandatory. github.com/FRIBIDI/FRIBIDI/V 1.0.3/FRIBIDI-1.0.13.tar.xz. Optional. Imagine if I swear to fucking god, if it complains about it, I am going to. Don't get me started. I'm gonna punch this. I will actually start crying. wget github.com/FRIBIDI/FRIBIDI/1.0.13.tar.xz. Thank you. I was going crazy there for a second. What sort of name is Fribidi? Fribidi. I don't bloody know. tar-xvff-FRIBIDI. Right. Make directory build, cd build. Mesa. Hang on. Build type release. ... and ninja. Never mind. Mason setup prefix equals /user build type equals release. Okay. Okay. Now I can get Pango. I can do. I'm gonna start crying. Right. Cairo is in the recommended for Pango. Let's find out if I need Cairo or not. I'll start crying. Right, where are we? We are there. Yes, I know. Yeah, I know. Right, okay. wget ftp wget/ftp /gnome/sources/pango/1.50/pango-1.50.tar.xz. tar-xvf pango. cd pango. Okay. First, work around a bug in GCC 13 which triggers a false warning that breaks a release build. Okay, we know something about false warnings, alright. Said -I /array /aray array /d hyphen or apostrophe mason.build. Make directory build cd build. Mason setup dash dash prefix equals slash user backslash enter. Build type equals release backslash enter. Wrap mode equals no fallback backslash enter dot dot and ninja. Where the fuck is font config? Let me guess. Font config is probably... I have already done font config. You have got on mic. You sleep well, buddy. Evidently, I've not already done font config. Dot slash configure prefix equals user backslash enter sys conf equals slash etc backslash enter local stated ir equals slash var backslash enter disable docs backslash enter doc doc directory equals slash user share doc font config dash 2.14.2 and time make minus -a. Okay. Okay, so now if we go back to Pango, we should be fine. Where are we? We need to cd back into the build directory. Please work. Why do you say it is recommended if it is required? Okay, so for Cairo, I need Pixman, and for Pixman, I need GT. Need nothing. I need nothing else. This is fine. This is fine. I promise. This is fine. Okay, So I'm just watching this back to make sure this works. That's about right. That's about right. Okay, so I've just made it into a little highlight video. So, title. This is BLFS Pango. Create. I've made that into a clip. That'll appear somewhere. I don't know. Right. You can hear me slamming on the desk. Right, Pixman. No. wget https //cairo chirographics.org /releases /pixman -0.42.2.tar.gz. CAIROGRAPHICS.org /pixman -0.42.2.tar.gz. There we go. -xvf Pixman. CD Pixman. Make directory build. CD build. Meson setup equals --hyphen prefix equals /user. Build type equals release. And ninja. I'm sorry, guy, that goes fast. Right, now we've done Ninja install. We go back to Cairo. We now need to download Cairo. Go through that. wget https //download.gnome.org /sources /cairo /1.17 /cairo -1.17.6.tar.xz. Thank God. tar-xvf Cairo cd Cairo. Okay, clear. We're in Cairo. No, we're not, but still, said. There is a circular dependency between Cairo and Half-Buzz. If Cairo is built before Half-Buzz, It is necessary to rebuild Cairo after half buzz in order to rebuild Pango. In order to build Pango. So, what this is saying is, ignore everything I've just done, because it doesn't matter. But this is a note. If Cairo is built before half buzz, I need to rebuild Cairo after half buzz. I have already built half buzz, so I don't need to rebuild it. I don't need to worry about rebuilding Cairo, because I'm only building it for the first time now. Said -s/ptr void asterisk /apostrophe -i util CAIRO trace CAIRO -trace / hi Ben, look up, I'm having a mental breakdown. I swear to donkey bollocks. Shouldn't be doing that again. I don't know. I don't know why it do the things it do. It's either that or YouTube, one of the two. Anyway, trace lookup symbol.c enter. Fix a package config file that may cause errors later. Okay. Said -e. E. Quote. At prefix. I don't know. I don't know. At prefix at. Because it knows I'm getting angry with it, and it knows it will go flying out of that fucking window if it's not careful. EXEC underscore prefix equals at EXEC underscore prefix. I hate this. Underscore prefix at backslash -i util /CAIRO apostrophe script /CAIRO dash SCRIPT dash INTERPRETER PC.IN. Okay. Shut up. No more not working on me, thank you. /config, yeah. Prefix equals /user /enter. Disable static /enter. Enable the and time make mostly. Don't you dare fucking fail on me. I will hold my hands in a place where I can't punch the monitor, because I can't afford to replace it. Hold my hands where I can't afford to punch the monitor, because I can't afford to replace it. Please work. Please work. I beg of you. Please work. Thank you. Oh, Lord. I can't afford to replace this. It's a good thing I didn't punch it. It's a good thing it worked. Time, make and store. Okay, good. So for Pango, why did I need Cairo? Why did I need Cairo? Oh yeah, because Cairo was recommended, even though it's not recommended, it's fucking mandatory. Back to Pango. We don't question these things. Right. There's Pickman. Wrap mode. No fallback. Oh, thank God. Good. Okay. We can now. I can now do GTK +3. And fuck you. Although it has a fuck ton of recommended packages, I'm not sure I want to do this anymore. I'm not sure I want to do this anymore. I'm not sure I want to do this anymore. I want to die. This is getting horrendously bad. Where are we? Download.gnome.org/sources/GTK +/3.24/GTK +3.24.38.tar.xz. You can suck a dick. You can go inhale a big bag of Richards. Download.gnome.org/sources/GTK +/3.24/GTK+. That. TK, it's a mental breakdown. Right. Make directory build, cd build, JSON setup, hyphen prefix equals /user \enter. Build type equals release \enter. -d man equals true. Space black \enter. -d Broadway equals back_backend equals true \enter. And ninja. Don't you dare fucking throw me. It couldn't even wait for me to finish the sentence, could it? I don't even know where that is. It's there. Why is it Okay. Let's try this again. I need to get X keyboard config and then X keyboard common for this. XKB common. So, X keyboard config. https x www.x.org. That's one thing Elon Musk will never be able to get a hold of. Slash pub slash individdual slash data slash x keyboard hyphen config slash x keyboard hyphen config 2.39.tar.xz. That's because I put 2 slashes in. No, that's correct. individdual x keyboard. Oh my god. No, that is correct. I've just typed it out wrong somewhere. More than likely, I know exactly where I've typed it wrong. And tar-xvf x keyboard config. Right. Make directory build, cd build, Meson setup hyphen prefix equals xorg prefix hyphen build type equals release dot and ninja. That was quick. Do you want what you're building to be usable? Yeah. That's the thing, it's recommended. Not. Man, see, some of these won't even build without the recommended. Which means it's not recommended, it is required. Why can I not put that under required? I suspect that would be too easy. -xvf. No, wget https //xkb common.org /download ow my shoulder /xk lib xkb common -1.5.1.5.0.tar.xz -xvf lib xkb common. Hope you realize that you have to wear a GIMP suit to configure XSpace. It's required. I want to cry. Oh my lord, I am getting ready to start ripping my teeth out. Hello, Beer Goggler. How you doing, my friend? Make directory build, cd build. Meson setup. // prefix equals /user /enter hyphen build type equals release /enter -d enable docs equals false and ninja. Please don't fuck. Thank you, ninja. You know what's funny, Beer Goggler? Have a look at that swap space and tell me what you see. Just have a look there. Tell me what you see for swap space. And yes, this is HTOP, by the way. Yeah, I realised the pain of that as well as break a bar to my knee. Shit hurts. Anyway, yes, that is 104 gigs worth of swap space. I did say gigabytes. Also, just turning of caliper bolt and just smacking hand into the suspension. It fucking hurts. Yes. Yes, I absolutely did. So I was trying to build Mesa, and every time I'd try and build Mesa, it would run into a out of memory. So I killed the out of memory protector. It's not running at all. But every fucking time I would try and build Mesa, it's like, nope, out of memory is coming back to life, even though it's not enabled, it's disabled. It is pointing to dev null. It shouldn't have ever triggered. Kept triggering. So I said the idea thrown up of I need more RAM, but I can't because system requirements. So make a bigger swap disk. So you know what I said? Fuck it. I'll give it 100 gigs worth of swap space. So I turned off the virtual machine, made a new disk for swap space, made it 100 gigs worth of swap space, or made a 100 gig disk, attached it to the virtual machine, went back in, made it into swap, and now I have 104 gigabytes worth of swap space. It ended up using 10 gigs of swap on top of the 16 gigs of RAM. Like, damn. Right, where are we? Did I install? Yeah, I did. Okay. No, it's just Mesa going, You done a silly. You've been a silly goose. I've done a silly goose. I've done a silly goose. So I can't. Oh. Anyway. Keyboard way back end. Okay. As far as I can tell, it's just Mesa going, no, you don't. Also, at one point in time, this was using, what was it? 97 megabytes of RAM. 97 megabytes. Barely anything at all. It was very toasty. Why? Oh, your GPD pocket. Why don't you want to work? I don't want your fucking documentation. Pancake, can you help me, please? Can you help me, please, Pancake? It wants me to install documentation. Oh, that's annoying. GTK +3. It wants to generate the Broadway D documentation. However, Mason setup hyphen prefix equals user. Build type release equals dman. Dman equals true. D Broadway underscore backend equals true and a ninja. Need my gimp suit. I might need a gimp suit. Oh god. If you're not already subscribed, maybe do consider subscribing, where you get to enjoy torture. Where you get to enjoy me getting tortured every week with this fucker right here. Let's find out. Well, I didn't die, so I can only hope it worked. Let's find out. Well, it installed. Oh, okay. This is definitely a GitHub thing. Okay, GitHub. GitHubiers, please come here. I need you. Please, GitHub, I need you. Please, GitHub, I need you. We're gonna start crying in a second. Add file, create new file. GT fuck. That's what I'm calling it. I'm calling it GT fuck. Because now it needs me to create documentation. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do wget https //raw.github user contents.com/su/1/test/main/gt fuck. GT fuck, not GT fuck. chmod +x GT fuck. Config /gtk -3.0/settings.ini. Okay, thank fuck. Right. Okay. We've now done GTK +3. What's next? I know, my all of that for libxface4 UI. which has a recommended startup notification. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to install startup notification, which requires XCB util. XCB util requires libxcb, and I've already got that, which is good. I'm going to start crying in a second. What's the time? That's the time. Okay, leave the directory. Oh no, wget https console/xcb dot I'm having a headache because breathing too hard. Thank you, lungs, but not working. XCB util dash 0.4.1 dot tar.xz hyphen xpub lib x xcb util cd xcb util slash configure. No. xorg config and time make shitty time make install, leave the directory. Okay, we've done xcb util, which means I need to go back to startup notification, which requires me to do wget https www dot free desktop .org /software start up notification /releases startup notificat dash 0.12.tar.gz. Thank God. -xvf startup notification cd startup notification configure dash prefix equals /user disable static and I make -30 time make install and install -v -m 644. This is documentation. 644-d doc /startup notification.txt notifi cation .txt /enter /user share doc startup notification dash oh my god 0.12 /startup notification.txt. Please shut the fuck up. There we go. Right. Now let's do xface4 UI. How long have I been trying to do this one? I don't know. Let's find out. Literally weeks now. Yeah, literally weeks. Does this need a build directory? No, it does not. Okay. /configure /prefix equals /user sysconf dir equals /etc and time make -j30. Please just fucking work. Oh, thank fuck. Quick, install it. Don't fuck off. Don't die. Oh, oh, thank fuck. Right. Good. Which now means I have done everything for libxface 4 UI. Yes. Oh my god. Now means I can move on to EXO4, which doesn't require anything that I don't already have. PWD. Leave the directory. If I have 27 minutes to hopefully get a desktop. Okay, PWD. No, wget https //exo/xfce/exo/exo-4.18/exo-4.18.0.tar.bz2 r-xvf-exo ddexo. Let's configure. It is indeed time to power through. Prefix equals / user sysconf dir equals / etc and time. Well, there's known dependencies, unknown dependencies, and unknown dependencies. Hang on. Wasn't that the justification for the Iraq War? There are known knowns and there are known unknowns and there are unknown unknowns. That's the Iraq War justification. Why do I recognize that? That's the better question. What? Oof, that's the better question. Why do I know that? Oof. Fucking hell, why do I know that? Oh no. Right, now we have Garçon 4, which doesn't... We don't need anything more. That's good. wget https:// xfce/garcon/4.18.1/con/4.1/8.1/tar.bz2 r-xvf garçon 4 cd garçon 4. Yes. I think we should be more concerned about the fact that I was able to instantly pick that up, because I've only heard it about 3 times. Then again, it is such a renowned statement. There are unknown knowns. Oh, God. Right, config prefix user sysconfig conf.dir etc. Okay, I can just run that, that's fine. Why did I instantly recognize that? Holy hell. Fine, make install. Okay, XFCE 4 panel. Okay, we're more than likely... Okay, here's the first time we have extra. Why is there editor notes to a wiki? I don't like that. Okay. tar-wget https:// download.gnome.org/sources/libwnck/43.0.tar.xz tar-xvf libwnck cd libwnck
make directory build cd build. You despair at the prospect. I'm the one that spent weeks building this. You get the entertainment of watching me cry and get tortured by my fucking computer. And the fact that I did this to myself. Mason setup. Yeah, I was thinking of just downloading it as binary and going from there with it. But you'll send me a link for it so I don't actually fuck it up. Prefix equals / user course, and then build type equals release dot and I'm ninja. Okay, you didn't fail. That breaking the rules. Okay. Okay. wget https //archive dot xface.org /source /xfce xfce 4-panel 4.18 xfce 4-panel 4.18.4 tar.bz2 tar-xvf xface 4-panel pdx face 4-panel. You have to compile everything. Fuck off. No. I'm not doing everything from scratch. No. Oh lord. Fuck off. Fuck off, you cheeky bastard. Fuck off. Oh lord. Okay. Configure. Oh, disease shouldn't have done. I shouldn't have briefed that hard. Prefix thanks longs equals / user hyphen sys conf de equals / etc and I'm make -30. Oof, headache. Thank you kindly, good sir. I'll remember that. I'll use that for when it's time to come do it. Okay. Come on. Come on. Good. Okay. Okay. 19 minutes. I see a light at the end of the tunnel. I see through now. How far away am I from the end of the tunnel? Oh my god, I'm still so far. We're not getting there today. We're not getting there today. We aren't getting there today. We're not getting to the end today. We aren't getting to the end today. We're on // Yeah, no, we're only just halfway. We are halfway, and we've still got a load of shit to go. I have so many fucking tabs open, it's hilarious. There we go. Okay. Icon theme dot free desktop.org / releases / high color spelt wrong
icon of theme dash 0.17 dots tar exit. And I can't spell. Releases slash I color spelled wrong. Icon theme dash 0.17 dots tar exit. 17 not 18. There we go. -XVF. Yeah, I made that. I realized I made that mistake after the fact. / configure prefix equals / user time make install the directory. Now that I've done the high color theme, it's now time to do Thunar, which is going to be wget https://archiv.xfce.org /src/xfce/ Thunar /4.18 Thunar-4.18.6.tar.bz2 bzip2 tar-xvf Thunar cd Thunar recommended. Oh, it's giving me recommended again. Giving me recommended again. I might just throw it out of the fucking window. / configure prefix prefix equals / user backspace enter hyphen sysconf equals / etc space backspace enter doc directory equals / user / doc / Thunar-4.18.6 and time make -30. Don't fuck me up. Don't fuck me up. Thank fuck. Good. Good. Okay. wget https:// this is a dependency. Lib gu dev is dependency of Thunar Volmans. We might. Hang on. You never know. You never know. No. No. https download.gnome.org /sources /libgu dev /238 /libgu dev /238 libgu dev -238.tar.xf tar-xvf -xvf libgu dev cd libgu dev make directory build cd build Meson setup -- prefix equals / user -- build type equals release ... and I'm ninja. Okay, thank fuck. Ninja install. Okay. Right. back to Thuna Volman. Wget https://archive.xfce.org/src/xfce/Thuna Volman/4.18/ probably could /Thuna -vol and -4.18.0.tar.bz2 tar-xvf Thuna Volman cd Thuna Volman /configure -prefix equals /user and time make -j30. Yeah, you are an LFS. There is a way. Of course there is. Also, hello, Pancakes. It's good to see you doing well. Time make install. Okay. On to the next one, which is Tumblr. Wget. Reverse to use a Namco game to do wget https://archive.xfce.org/src/fce. This is why I'm not doing what you've mentioned, Ben, because it's absolutely bloody murder and I'm crying. This is why. No, because Tumblr-4.18.1.tar.bz2 the tar-xvf Tumblr cd Tumblr /configure breathing too hard very dizzy prefix equals /user -sys conf equals /etc and time make -j30. Okay, there's just a time make install. Come on. Good. Xface 4 app finder doesn't need anything. You know. Couldn't get fine, but I might actually be able to do that. I might actually be able to do it. Okay, cutting it extremely fine. I might actually be able to do it. archive.xfce.org/src/xfce/xfce 4-app finder /4.18/xfce4/app finder -4.4.18.1.tar.bz2. That's the first time it's done that in a while. Oh, that's why, because I'm a fucking idiot. ARC HIV tar-xvf xface 4 app finder cd 4 app finder user and time make -j30 not -j6 -j30 and time make install because I know you want to say it there. I know you want to say it, mate. Xface 4 power manager. This requires libnotify requires GTK plus 3, which we've got, and upower requires libusb. Libusb requires nothing. Yes. We will do libnotify first because I've got to go back into the kernel to actually enable some functionality for libusb. So, X-Phase4 power management for libnotify. Libnotify requires nothing that I don't already have. It requires GTK plus 3, which we've got installed. Thank fuck. So, download.gnome.org/sources/libnotify /0.8 /libnotify-0.8.2 tar.xz tar-xvf libnotify cd libnotify. Make directory, build, cd build. Oh my god, it's one of these long ones. Mason setup hyphen prefix equals /user \backspace enter hyphen build type equals release \enter -d gtk underscore doc equals false \enter -d man equals false \enter and I'm ninja. There we go. Okay, the package does not come with test suites if you have GI docgen installed and I do not wish to build API. So ninja install and mv-v user share doc libnotify curly brace apostrophe dash 0.8.2 curly brace enter. Get fucked. I didn't build it, so it makes sense. Right. Now I've done that, it's now upower. Upower requires libusb. Libusb requires me to fuck around with some requires me to fuck around with the kernel. Oh, fuck it. Right, so device drivers. Device drivers, USB support, where is it? Where is USB support? USB support. Support for host side USB, where is it? I'm in USB support. Support for host side USB, where is it? XFCE. Where is no USB printer support? I love that. Storage device for both. I like how it has specific ones for like specific ones. That's actually rather nice. He's like, hey, look, it might work. USB Lego infrared tower support. Oh, I love that. That's hilarious. Siemens ID USB mouse fingerprint sensor support. Apple Cinema display. Apple Cinema Display. Did Apple include driver support for their Cinema Display in the Linux kernel? What? Fast charge control for iOS. Did they include these two in the fucking Linux kernel themselves, or did someone else do it? That's pretty cute. The more you know. Right, so we need to enable support for hosted USB device. Oh, I'm dumb. And it's XE and OHCI. Apparently they do. Apparently it's already enabled. So apparently I'm fucking around with it for no reason. Apparently I fucked around with that for no reason. They do, it's called their controls, mate. PWD, leave the directory. So, tar-xv. Ooh, hang on. This will be the last thing we do. Wget. This will be the last package we make. https:// github.com/libusb/lib USB/releases/download v1.0.26/lib USB -1.0.26.tar.bz2. Thank God. tar-xvf lib USB cd lib USB we're now, where are we? We are here, so we're going to do /configure prefix equals /user disable static and time make -j3. Time make install. Where are we at time wise? Okay, bang on midnight. We'll just do quickly time.is. Where do you take me to? Bang on midnight. Okay, exact time. Right. Right. We're now at time libxface4 power management, which means we only have power manager, xface4 settings, xf desktop, xf windows manager, and xface4 session to do next time. Next time should, provided we don't fuck it up, be the final Monty. It should be the big Monty. We have everything. We will have a desktop next time. Let me just get it saved and do this. Do Mesa here. This needs done. Done. Okay, that's noted down. Anyway, you guys have been fucking awesome as always. I really hope this torturing has been absolutely enjoyable. I really hope it has. If you're not already subscribed, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. Maybe consider becoming a channel member. Where you can get early access to videos and shout outs and thank yous and get a little badge next to your name that says, I'm better than you. Or if you fancy supporting me directly, you can support me at buymeacoffee.com/LinuxPanic, where you get early access, where you can get access to stuff, or as well as just support me directly. with projects and such. I believe I have actually left a link to that in this stream's description. Yes, I have. buymeacoffee.com/LinuxPanic. You can support me directly there. Anyway, you guys have been absolutely awesome. I have been absolutely tortured. Let's just quickly run a quick neofetch here, shall we? There we go. As we can see, more stuff's kicking up, so we're using more and more RAM. That's a good thing. And as we can see here, more things are using more RAM, which is good. F6, let's use percent memory. Oh, we have sbin init and system journaled. That's what's using the most RAM at the minute. Okay, that's weird. Anyway, you guys not doing Windows and Scratch, by the way, are absolutely awesome. You have been spot on as always. I cannot thank you all enough for being here and enjoying in the where I've needed help. I'd like to thank Pancake Sparkle once again for being an absolute bloody star. You are sparkling your helpfulness all over the place, and I can't thank you enough. And to you, Beer Goggler, no, it is not -J6, it's -J30. I know you wanted to say it. Thank you again, Ben, for what you sent me for the Firefox stuff. I'd like to thank you very much. I'd like to thank Mislav for being here when he was here, and he's awesome as always. And I would like to thank everyone overall. You have all been bloody wonderful. I'd like to thank Garden as well for just absolutely being a cracking lad as always, and giving Pancake Sparkle a membership. Anyway, you guys are all awesome, each individual one of you. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. If you remember, when you use Linux, don't panic, unless you're me, then you can panic as much as you want. This has been good. Remember, the only way to have the only swap space you need is 104 gigs worth of swap. Right. I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. Hope you have a good night.